Here we have for sale Speedwell. She's a 57-foot 5-inch traditional stern narrowboat, built in 1990 by Peter Nicholls. She's been in the same family since new. There's an extensive folder on board with all her history, and there is a survey from 2024 available to view. Cratch covered well deck, and we'll go and take a look on board. So stepping on board at the fore into the saloon, she's a traditional layout. L-shaped seating makes a double berth, 6'5" by 4 foot. Fit out throughout is done in oak ply and oak tongue and groove. Solid fuel stove. Central heating is by an Aldi gas boiler. Large table there for dining at. And into the galley, 12-volt under counter fridge, gas cooking, and a resin sink and drainer. Set of side doors with a hatch over in the galley. Moving towards the aft, this is bedroom 1, a single berth with a bunk option above. Storage cupboard and a spare porta potty toilet. Into the walk-through shower area, there is a tiled shower cubicle. Hot water is heated by the engine and boiler, and a separate toilet compartment with a pump out toilet. Wash basin is in the corridor. Wardrobe and your Aldi boiler is in there as well. Flooring throughout is carpet tiles. Into the aft second bedroom, twin single berths, and again you've got the option of bunks above. And out into the aft cabin. We'll take another walk back through the boat. All the specification can be found on our website. You can download a brochure, and you can also view more photos on our website www.abnb.co.uk. She's here at North Kilworth Marina, so you're welcome to come down and have a look at her. Please do give us a call though, 01788 822 115.